Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how I transcribe Gotranscript audio test and you pass Gotranscript audio test very easily. There are many ways to transcribe Gotranscript audio test. You also transcribe Gotranscript audio test by using different online transcription tool to convert audio to text, but this is not accurate. There are Tammy and Utter as well, but they are not accurate. So in this video I transcribed Gotranscript audio test manually, and this is not easy, and also this is time consuming process, but I hope this video is very helpful for you, and please pause this video till the end. So let's start the video.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript.
My essential, huh? Anyway, good evening, guys. I'm sitting on my couch in my PJs watching news about COVID-19, but that is not today's topic. Today, I would like to talk about anything and everything. I was asked once, Gina, what do you think the movement will be like in the next few years? To be honest, I was planning to go to Latin America in the next couple of months. However, now I'm not sure about this. I guess I will stay in my tiny house in Ouagadougou, which is also known as Ouaga, one of the capital cities in the western part of Africa.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript.
I often ask my friends from Guyana, Kyrgyzstan, Liechtenstein, and Palau many questions about their countries and what they know about mine. I would like to ask a friend, Catherine, what do you know about Liechtenstein? Have you ever been there? Well, Liechtenstein is a small German-speaking country located in the western part of Europe, and its capital is called Vaduz, V-A-D-U-Z.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript.
One day, I would like to visit this micro-country and Balzers, which is located in the southern Liechtenstein. When it comes to Palau, I have never heard of this country before meeting my friend through Internations, which is a very good website for meeting expats in more than 420 cities worldwide. Anyway, this country is officially known as the Republic of Palau, located in the western part of the Pacific Ocean. Palau has more than 300 islands, with Koror being the most populated part of the country. The capital of Palau is Njarulmut, that is located in Babeldoab. To be honest, I'm not sure why I have decided to talk about these countries today. You may think she certainly is obsessed with geography. I'm sorry, but that is not the case. I have just read news about these countries and how SARS-CoV-2 has affected it so far. There is news about it on BBC, CNN, also NBC, CBC, and ABC News.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript.
Anyway, it is already night in Ouagadougou, and I think I should keep my books at bay for now, to chill watching another episode of Balika Vadu and how Pratusha Banerjee, aka Anandi, deals with her new life at her in-laws' house. Oh, by the way, have you ever heard of Jade Sar? Many of my friends would be like, what is it? This is a small town in the western part of India where the action takes place in the soap opera. My friends never liked watching this. I was the only one who spent 2 years following this story. Maybe it is because I was into Latin soap operas from a very young age, like all these Ángel Rebelde, Corazón Salvaje, Esperanza del Corazón, etc. Alright guys, it is time to go to bed, and before that I also have to plan what I'm going to have for my breakfast tomorrow. I think I will have oatmeal with chia seeds, apple, peanut butter, and frozen fruits. This sounds like such a healthy option, and I'm trying to get fit. Also, I have come across a YouTube channel called Women's Healthy Lifestyles and a video about green smoothies. This girl talks about her favorite recipes for green smoothies. I think I will take her advice to prepare a smoothie of 1 cucumber, 1 green apple, 1 avocado, and 1 teaspoon of honey. It sounds like an excellent way to start the day by having such a healthy breakfast.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript.